Hi guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I wanted to talk to you about keyword research, especially doing the keyword research for your articles, because there are two different types of keywords, and you should be picking different keywords for your article. When optimizing article, different keywords for your products, because they can the commercial keywords or transactional keywords will help you rank your product, so they will drive traffic from people who are looking to buy, and informational keywords will help you rank your article. So these are keywords that people use when they're searching for information, when they're searching for guides and so on. And Google is quite smart when it comes to ranking websites, so it won't rank your website, won't rank your product if you target transactional keywords. And the example of the informational keyword would be the best ladies sandals for white feet, because this suggests to Google that someone is looking for a guide on a review, that they're doing a research, so they are not ready to convert. They're just looking for information, so they're like in the middle of the sales funnel. So this is a great place to rank your articles. This is the great keyword to use when writing the articles. The idea of commercial keyword that you can use with your products would be when someone done the research and they're ready to buy. So they're searching for, let's say, Geox ladies green sandals. So this is much more specific keyword. It's called transactional for a reason, because people are ready to buy. People are searching. They're not searching for information anymore. They're searching for a product. So keep that in mind when doing a research for the keywords, when searching for the phrases for your article. And you can use a number of tools that I have created a ton of content about. And you can find links to the most complex keyword review underneath this video. Please click it, because it is very valid. I spent a ton of time researching this article. It would be a little bit too long for me to talk about all of these tools, review how to use them, and this article actually shows you how to use them step by step, how to find the keywords, and so on. Another tool that I started using since completing this article is Moz Pro tool. It's much more detailed, but it's used. You don't have to use it, but it's definitely helpful for like SEO agencies, because it gives much more in-depth information. However, if you're just doing a research for your article, free tools are perfectly fine for you to use. So if you like this video, if you found it helpful, please click like right now here underneath this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more SEO tips, and I'll speak with you soon. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.